Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Jitsi Meet in a web browser step by step. One of the best things about Jitsi Meet is that you can join or host meetings directly from your browser without installing any software on most desktop computers. So let's get started. First, open a supported web browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari, then visit the official Jitsi Meet website. Make sure your internet connection is stable before continuing. Next, if you want to start a new meeting, enter a unique meeting name on the home page and click Start Meeting. If you're joining an existing meeting, simply paste the invitation link into your browser or enter the meeting name provided by the host. When prompted, allow Jitsi Meet to access your microphone and camera. These permissions are required if you want to participate with audio and video. You can also choose to mute your microphone or turn off your camera before joining if you prefer. Once you're inside the meeting, use the toolbar at the bottom of the screen to control your microphone, camera, chat, screen sharing, participants list, and meeting settings. You can also invite others by copying and sharing the meeting link directly from the meeting. Finally, when the meeting is over, click the Leave Meeting button to exit. If you're using a shared computer, close your browser tab after leaving to help protect your privacy, and that's it. You now know how to use Jitsi Meet in a web browser and host or join secure online meetings without installing additional software. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.